So what's up mga boss, Yims here, and today may pag-uusapan tayo na napakaseryosong balita. Gaya nga ng nakikita nyo sa title, si Will Dasovich is na-diagnose na may cancer. Kung hindi nyo kilala si Will Dasovich, ililink ko na lang yung revelation video niya sa description box below. Pero malamang kung hindi nyo siya kilala, malamang hindi kayo makaka-relate. But for me kasi, nag-start ako manood ng videos niya, I think parang 20,000 subs, mga ganon. Basta unang-una pa lang, pero hindi ako consistent na nanonood sa kanya. Isa sa pinakahinangaan ko kay Will kasi is yung dedication niya na mapataas talaga yung sub count, yung makapag-entertain siya gamit yung platform nga na YouTube at saka yung vlogging. Pag-influence niya sa mga kaibigan niya around him, gaya nila Daniel Marsh, nila Jaco De Leon, tsaka basta ang buong vlog squad. Kahit yung kapatid niya nga nung unang-unang napanood ko yung kapatid niya, hindi pa nag-i-start mag-vlog si Hailey, tapos parang mahihayin pa siya sa vlog, parang hindi pa siya ganun ka-crazy. And then, yun nga, biglang boom! Nagkaroon na ng YouTube channel si Hailey. So, nung pinapanood ko yung video kanina, hindi ko ina-expect talaga na yung sakit niya is cancer. Alam mo yun, yung first video kasi na nilabas niya about sa stomach niya, parang may bacteria na nanggaling siguro sa travels niya, sa mga food na kinakain niya nung nagta-travel siya, doon niya nakuha. So, ang ine-expect ng utak ko kanina is parang siguro medyo naging serious yung yung sa tiyan niya. And at the end, talagang, alam mo yun, maluha-luha ako because more than a year ko na din siyang sinusubaybayan. And parte na din talaga siya ng panonood ko sa YouTube, yung mga videos niya, yung mga travel niya. Sobrang nai-inspire din ako mag-travel vlog. Alam mo yun, nagagawa niya yan full time yung pag-vlog and everything. But me, ginagawa ko siya as a hobby. Hindi ko siya pinagkakakitaan. So, alam mo yun, I want to go to that level na mapapagkakitaan ko na din yung vlogging. So, parang siya yung nagiging inspirasyon ko, and alam mo yun, naiinggit or hindi ko naiinggit, nai-inspire ako nung napanood ko nga yung mga awards niya. Nakakuha siyang awards, nakakapag-talk siya sa mga taong nagsisimula pa lang sa YouTube, sa mga Creator Cup, YouTube Fan Fest, and everything. Alam mo yun, kasi pag sinabi mong cancer, lalong-lalo na yung last si Jam Sebastian, kung kilala nyo, si Jamich, yung boyfriend ni Mitch, is may cancer din, and yun yung kinawala niya. And yun nga, nag-YouTube din sila. So parang, alam mo yun, nostalgic na wag naman sana na early stage pa lang naman yung cancer ni Will. So talagang, alam mo yun, pati ako nagpe-pray na maging inspirasyon siya sa mga iba pang may cancer. Yung experience niyang to, mai-vlog niya, mai-share niya, and maging inspirasyon nga siya sa ibang may cancer. Nabanggit din niya sa video niya si Casey Neistat na inspirasyon niya. And lately lang, nag-upload si Casey Neistat ng isang video, collaboration video na tutupad sa wish ng isang tao. And yung taong yun na natupad yung wish na ma-meet siya and makasama siya for a day is nakasurvive sa cancer. And yung batang yun is a model and inspiration sa ibang cancer patient because gumawa siya ng sarili niyang non-profit charity para matulungan yung mga tao na with the same class of cancer na kung anong meron siya. So yun, parang ang pumasok sa isip ko, ba't ganun? Parang idol ni Will, si Casey na which is naglabas ng gandang video about sa cancer. And I hope, siguro ang nakikita ko, Will Dasovich will continue and will survive, and in the future will help other cancer patients. So yun, thinking on a positive note lang, but still praying and hoping na maging okay talaga, maging okay siya, because sobrang ang dami niyang na-influensyang tao and everything. So yun lang, maraming salamat. Gusto ko lang i-share yung reaction ko, yung na-feel ko, and yung naramdaman ko nung pinanood ko nga yung video niya. Then napanood ko din yung Facebook video niya. Ano lang, few hours ago lang niya in-upload. Pero yung raw vlog na yun, nilabas niya na din yun sa previous vlog niya eh. Kumbaga, nakain sila sa may sala, nanonood sila ng Giants na palabas, na baseball. So yun, yung pinapainom siya ng gamot na hindi siya pwede kumain ng ilang hours or ilang days, 48 hours ata yun. And yung wish niya na maka 1 million subs, sana maka 1 million subs na siya. And yun lang, see you guys sa susunod na video ko. Comment below kung kilala niyo si Will Dasovich, at kung hindi niyo siya kilala, yung link sa baba puntahan nyo, at saka panoorin nyo yung mga previous vlogs niya. Sobrang epic, sobrang entertaining ng mga travel vlogs niya talaga. Walang-wala sa mga vlogs ko.
And have you maximized your experiences? My answer to that question is yes. And that's why I'm content with my condition and the hardships I face. And the other day I was diagnosed with cancer. As tough as it was for me to take that in, it's not going to stop me from having fun, being myself, and continuing to do what makes me happy.
Can I edit? Well, first of all, so much energy.
Having an audience that will listen to me, be open to my ideas, and just hear me out is something I'm deeply grateful for and will never take for granted. It's one of my main sources of happiness, which is why I choose to continue vlogging as long as I'm able to. I can't say it enough times how much I'd like to thank everyone for all the support, and I truly love each and every one of you. I'm overwhelmingly grateful for helping me get to this point in my life and making it everything it was, making it everything it is. And I know a lot of people are going to ask me if there's anything they can do for me to help me feel better. Well, the simplest thing you can do is, I guess, like this video, leave a comment, and share it. If you've never shared one of my videos, I guess you can share this one. Just knowing that there's an audience to watch my content, it makes me feel like the happiest person on earth. But if there's anything I want to do left, if there's any dreams I still have left, I still want to hit 1 million. So if you could subscribe and get everyone you know to subscribe to me, maybe that's still possible. Anything's possible. All things aside, if there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's to experience as much as possible in the amount of time that you have. I think the aggregate of my over 400 videos can be summarized by just that. As you all age, you'll eventually come to the realization that you'll be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the things that you did do.